Hello everyone, welcome to the another video edition of College Deco. In this video, we will discuss about the career as a mining engineer. Mining engineering is one of the oldest branches in engineering and the number of seats available in India are limited. Top institutes such as IITs, NITs do offer mining engineering, but the number of seats are less. There are certain private engineering colleges and government polytechnic colleges that offer mining engineering, but these colleges offer only like 30 to 35 seats in mining engineering. But the scope of getting employment in government sector is high for mining engineers. In this video, we will discuss about a detailed career path of mining engineering. Firstly, what does a mining engineer do? Mining engineer deals with technologies and techniques that are necessary for identification and extraction of minerals from the earth. Mining engineer also comes up with latest scientific techniques for the development of mines. Mining engineer plays an important role in promoting safety measures in mines and surrounding areas. Mining engineer is also responsible for suggesting measures for the judicial use of resources. What are the different courses available in mining engineering? There are three types of courses available in mining engineering, such as Diploma in Mining Engineering, BTech in Mining Engineering, and MTech in Mining Engineering. Eligibility to become a mining engineer. The candidates must have a diploma, BTech or MTech in mining engineering to become a mining engineer. For diploma courses in mining engineering, polytechnic course, the minimum eligibility is class 10. For BTech in mining engineering, the candidates must have passed class 12. For MTech in mining engineering, the candidates must have passed a bachelor's degree in mining engineering. After obtaining the relevant degree or qualification, the candidate must appear for recruitment exams conducted by different PSUs. BTech mining engineering qualified candidates can appear for GATE exam for PSU recruitment. Career path for mining engineer. So after class 10th, the candidates can go for diploma in mining engineering followed by PSU recruitment or direct second year admission in BTech mining engineering, that is lateral entry. After class 12, the candidates can either go for BTech in mining engineering and then appear for GATE recruitment. I mean, they can appear for GATE exam through which he or she can get a job in PSUs. Different PSUs also conduct their own recruitment exam for mining engineers. They can also go for MTech. So after BTech, the available course is MTech in mining engineering. After MTech in mining engineering, you can either go for PSU recruitment or PhD. If you had already qualified GATE after BTech, you must note that the GATE score is valid for 3 years for PSU recruitment. Next, the list of PSUs recruiting mining engineers. Some of the PSUs that recruit mining engineers are Steel Authority of India, NLC India Limited, Coal India Limited, National Aluminium Company NALCO, Indian Oil Corporation IOCL, National Mineral Development Corporation, Hindustan Copper Limited, and Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation. Among these PSUs, almost 4 to 5 PSUs accept GATE score for recruitment, and rest of the PSUs they conduct their own exam, like recruitment exam for different job roles. So what are the different job roles available for mining engineers? Some of the job roles that mining engineers can take up are mine explorer, mine planner, research engineer, drilling engineer, mining engineering technician, mineral processing engineer. Depending upon the qualification and availability of vacancies, these different job roles are allocated to mining engineers in India. Next, salary for mining engineers in India. So the salary for mining engineers in India depends upon the qualification and role. So for the candidates who have qualified diploma in mining engineering, the average starting salary can be around rupees 2,50,000 to 3 lakh per annum. Some PSUs recruit diploma in mining engineers, and for BTech in mining engineering, the average starting salary will be around rupees 5 lakh to 6 lakh per annum. If the candidate is recruited by PSU, the salary will be almost 45 to 50,000 per month. My MTech in mining engineering. So for the candidates who have qualified MTech in mining engineering, for them the salary will be around same as BTech, like 5 lakh to 6 lakh per annum. So these are some of the details about a career as a mining engineer, and this is a good career if you are aspiring for a different type of course after class 10, or 12th. So there are pros and cons in mining engineer. So the pros are the salary, I mean the salary paid, the starting salary paid to mining engineers is high in India, whereas some of the cons are like sometimes the candidate need to work in a hazardous conditions because mining places are bit dangerous, and sometimes they had to work in some dangerous locations, which is a bit risky, but still it's a good career prospect, and the scope of getting employment in government sector is high. So if you are getting a job in government sector, it's a permanent job, and your life is almost settled. So stay tuned to College Deco for more updates on BTech entrance exams, MTech entrance exams, and different careers. Thank you.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.